Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable and fix switch user option missing from logged in screen in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for reged edit. Again, type for reged edit and a system called registry editor would appear under the best match. Go with it and click on run as administrator. Okay. So here at the registry editor window, you need to proceed to the left side of the screen and follow this path link, the registry path, which is this. Okay. So don't worry because I'll be including this in the description box below so you can copy it. Or if you don't want to copy it, you can simply post this video so that you can take a picture, you can take a screenshot, or you can take a note of it. Okay. So Control V to paste and click on enter. And you would be redirected directly to the system folder where here you need to proceed to the center of the screen and add a new dword 32-bit value. How you can add such, just have to copy this name first, which is hide fast user switching. Control C to copy. Here, please do a right click, go with new, go with dword 32-bit value, Control V to paste the name, click on enter. And once you have set it, double tap to it. And here in the value name, change the value data into 0 and set it into hexadecimal. Click on OK. Once done, close all of these file folders here that we have just opened. The registry editor will be closed as well. Then here you need to restart your computer. Now, once you have restarted your computer, check if your switcher option of your account would be there. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.